replacing the CAMshaft sensor, I think in bank B or sensor B or something like that. Anyway, not a whole lot of videos on where this is located. I got to it, but I thought I'd take a video even though it's halfway done. Easiest way to get to it is, of course, disconnect the battery. I just removed the entire thing. Remove the filter and the portion of the air box. Remove the hoses from the air box, and the sensor is right here, right there. You need a 10mm socket to remove the bolt, just right on the other side. Of course, you disconnect it. There's the connector right there. Anyway, this is the old one. I already removed the bolt, so what you gotta do is just wiggle it out. There we go. There's the old one. There's the new one right there. Anyway, it was throwing a P0365 code on my ODB reader. And also, I had to remove this heat shield just so I could get access to the bolt. It just held on. Held on right there. And just remove the nut. Bend that heat shield down just to get access to it. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there somewhere. Anyway, here's the new one. Put a little oil, a little O-ring there. It goes in just like that. Not focusing, but whatever. Anyway, so let me put that in, connect it, and go from there. Alrighty, I got the new one installed. The hardest part was lining up the hole and the bolt. I wish I have an angled mirror or something. Actually, I had to use the phone camera to get that hole and bolt lined up. Anyway, there's the new one. So let's put this heat shield back on here. Put that there. Here's the plug for that. Get that on there, should snap. Use this 10mm nut. Just don't drop anything back there. It's going to be a pain getting it out. I have to remove the underbelly if it fell all the way through. Let's get that up. Once that's up, I'll get the airbox reconnected, get that sensor connected, and go from there. Alright, everything's back together. Let's see here. There's there it is right there. It's all plugged in. Got the heat shield on, bolted down, plugged in. Got the airbox back together. Hoses there and right here. This connector here. Got the battery back in. All I need to do is put the air intake back here, back. Get that way. Put those down here. Get the engine cover back on. Let's go. Here we go. Something like that. There we go. Okay. So we got all of that back. Also with the P0335 code, you want to check the oil level. That'll be the first thing you check. Make sure it's good. I already checked that. I'm pretty sure people know how to do that. But anyway, it's back together, and there's the old sensor. I was throwing that error. Hopefully it's that. Hopefully it's not any electrical connections to the sensor. I'm just hoping, praying that $12 piece from Amazon fixes my problems. The problem was when it's warm, the engine's hard to start. It'll eventually start. It starts fine when it's cold, but when it's warmed up, it's hard to start to get a engine code and the lightning bolt code and stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching.